Honestly, I wish the world was opened up again, because she is too cute to be just at home. Really and truly, like, gosh, bomb. So bomb. So bomb. Hey guys, it's me, Mandiscurls here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be talking about this wig that I have. Here is the picture. It is from Outre. It's the Doobie Diamond Ombre, and this is a very cute hairstyle. So that's why I bought it. I bought it in the Ombre Ginger. When it came to me, I was like, what the fuck is this? But I'm hoping that this is going to look bomb, because I don't know right now. But this is the color. It is true. It is really this orange and gingery, but I thought it was really cute on the picture. So when it came, I was like, damn, I don't know. But I'm gonna test it out. Basically trying out everything that I've seen on Instagram, on YouTube, but not actually trying it out myself. So I am using the Got To Be glue, but I'm not using the spray because I just went to the drugstore, didn't have any. I'm not going to the beauty supply store for this, but I do have the Got To Be glue gel and a stocking cap and some mousse. So we are going to try that out. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it does work. If it doesn't, then you're going to see a hot mess on this video, but stay tuned for more. So it is wash day. I don't know if I'm actually going to do my hair and wash it, but you know, it's whatever. So like I see everyone, they just put the stocking on. And I'm just going to use some of this gel and just put it around the perimeter of my hair. I don't know. Let's see. Too much, I guess. I'm going to wait till it gets tacky and then put it down. Let me try that real quick. Alright, it's been a minute. It does feel really dry right now. I'm just gonna tie my hair down with a stocking cap. Sorry, not a stocking cap, a head tie. And I'm going to see if, like, I'll leave it on for 15 minutes more, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. It's been about 10 minutes or so. It is still a little bit tacky on this side, the sides. I did add a little bit more gel on the sides too anyways, but at the top it does feel like it's stuck on a little, like if I move it up a little. So I'm just gonna try and put some more of the use my blow dryer. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use my blow dryer on the cool setting and try and dry the rest of it out. I'm going to try and cut this. I'm just gonna tie my hair. Okay. I know what, it's dry enough. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the back here. I'm just gonna start cutting. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna get some of my makeup and see. Just putting it right here. So for the moment of truth, let us try this wig on and see. Oh my gosh, ladies, pray for me. I pray that this turns out nice, turns out bomb. All here, because it's showing. So I'm gonna take this off. Okay, I'm gonna start and try and cut this lace now. Okay, I'm just gonna go and check in a mirror and see if this is looking good or not, or janky. I'll be back. This is the final results of this wig and it looks bomb. I think it looks amazing. I mean, all with that whole lace thing and all that crap. I think it looks awesome. I don't even think you actually need the stocking cap because you can hardly tell. I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys here or come closer. This is the lace right here. I could have gone a little bit further and cut, but then I'd be cutting my hair and I'm afraid. So I just put more of the got to be glue at the sides here. I think it turned out bomb. And this is up without any mousse. Let me just try. I do have some mousse that I did get from the drugstore, so I'm just gonna shake that up and oh, remember this one back in the day? Just put that here. It smells nice. So this is with some mousse in my hair. Oh, this is fire. Oh, this is nice. I like it. I like it. Okay, let me just turn around for you in the back. Like I said, I should put some more product, but let me just show you what it looks like in the back. Yes. I think my hair is covered. Oh, this is fire. Oh, I like it. I do. I like it. It's so different, right? Wow. So fire. Oh my gosh. I look like a completely different person. And it's like I had my hair dyed red before, like my own hair, but it didn't look like this, so This is so cute. Let me, oh, I love this. So tell me what you guys think. Is this a yay or a nay? I think it's a yay. It's like, it looks so bomb. Seriously. And that mousse smells so good. Oh my god. Okay, let me just tell you though, I did not cut the lace properly on this side, but it doesn't matter because the hair covers it, so it doesn't, you can't even tell. But look at that. What is that? Something in my hair. But this is fire. And it's a fire red. Look at that. Oh my god, guys, I really do like this hair. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys on the next one. I'll see you guys. Bye.